who is seeking for higher education opportunities in business and liquid, then yes, the KIU is an ideal place in achieving your dream in the fullest. It doesn't matter the stream that you are coming. You can now enroll for the BM Honors in Business Analytics degree program irrespective of your subject stream, because we ensure the smooth transition of all the non-commerce students to the management degree program by conducting 3-month foundation program. This is 4-year degree program inclusive of industrial training program, which enable students to learn variety of management and business analytics with specialized core modules while exploring data-driven approach to the world of businesses, using statistics and data modeling to develop new business insights and exploring real-world management practices where student-centered learning activities such as workshops, career fairs, field visits, competitions which are exclusively designed for each management degree program. Especially during this 4-year period, students will be engaging in their industrial training as compulsory mode in the 3rd year, 2nd semester. While in the 4th year, 1st semester students initiate their research study activities will become more competent graduates upon the completion of 4-year period. And in Business Analytics degree program, in an ideal fit for the students who wish to drive their future career paths in the field like ICT, FMCG, production and manufacturing services, government, banking and finance, and healthcare, so on, at any functional unit. Therefore, I warmly welcome all of you to the Department of Business Analytics and hoping to see you all in the near future as a result of your wise decision to invest in the higher education.